Hey everybody, my name's Alberti and I love to decorate. Today, we're gonna show you how to create a beautiful spring brunch using gorgeous pastel colors. So if you like anything that you're seeing on the table, remember you can always find it at qvc.com. Just search Table It. Like, subscribe, and follow us. For my centerpiece, I always love using fresh flower arrangements. Today, we were able to use beautiful pink shades, all of them giving a nod to that spring vibe that we're trying to create. Here, we have different types of flowers that give you the different shades of pinks: roses, ranuncula, beautiful peonies, and of course our carnations. Here in the center, we were able to create a lot of drama and height using quince branches. Now these I got at the floral store, but you can cut these right from your own garden. If you want to force the blooms, all you have to do is add a little bit of warm water into the vase or hit the bottom of the branch with a hammer. You always want to create a beautiful environment for your guests to walk up to. It's got color, it's got texture, and it all ties together with our centerpiece. I love the raffia base that we used here because it gives you that nice farmhouse feel. We added that gingham napkin, which adds color, which ties back to our floral arrangement. The floral plates not only have flowers and butterflies and elements of spring, but the branches in here tie back to our centerpiece. Adding in the layers of color and pastels always works. And then of course, adding that pop of color and that little bit of personality right in the center for each one of your guests so that when they arrive to the table, they feel like they're getting a present. And in this case, it's actually edible. You've got these beautiful eggs that are confections that are little truffles. Bringing that beautiful look together is the brushed gold tone silverware, and then of course, adding that stemware in makes it feel like a celebration. With every tablescape, you want to create highs and lows. Just like when you're looking at a cityscape, the building heights all vary in sizes. Here, we've done that with different size vases. I love that our centerpiece brings a lot of height right in the center of the table. And then, of course, all the different layers that we've incorporated add depth and dimension. Candlelight is always good for the complexion, and this one brought color to the table. Bring that floral arrangement down a little bit further with these grape hyacinths, and you can find hyacinths at your grocery store. They not only look beautiful, but they add a gorgeous fragrance to the room so that when everybody comes in, they'll really feel like they walked into a garden. A great way to add fun and personality to your party, we've taken one of our grape hyacinths, we've added these beautiful artistically done watercolor tags. Now, everybody gets to take something home that's beautiful. It's something that can last longer than the party itself, and maybe even plant it in their own garden. And there you have it, a beautiful spring brunch that everyone in your family is going to love, enjoy, and have fun this spring season. For ideas on what to serve at your party, check out Serve It with Stacy.